Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Vasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Vasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of 3dsmax I will show you how to model a bulb. Do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So let's without wasting any time, let's jump into 3dsmax. I will use the line with lathe modifier for modeling the bulb light. Subline, go to subline. In the front view I'll make it. These lines I will adjust afterward. Now first I will adjust these the down lines. And as I am adjusting the vertices by going to the parameters of the line, this line parameters, as I want to make bulb light. select the by hold first click on this select and move tool and select all the top vertices, and now go to the rendering, and from here go to the geometry. This is the geometry. Let me tell you, this is geometry. Like I'm moving the cursor, geometry. Go to the geometry level and go to the fillet option. Now you can do it by manually by tapping the numbers, by calculating the numbers, or you can do drag in the front viewport. As you can see the plus mark in the front viewport, and drag it. I am making smooth, for making smooth this. Let me undo it. This not the down vertex. Select and make it fillet, or you can do it manually from here. Now apply lathe modifier, LATHE. Type LA, this LATHE. Now click, after applying this lathe modifier, click on this max. Max means maximum. And now go to the parameters of the lathe x-axis. Go to the x-axis. Now drag it this much. Now from here go on the faces. Now make it edit poly modifier. Apply edit poly modifier. Click on coming to the parameter of the edit poly. Select the border and select this top hole by holding the by clicking on this select and move tool, and then